All right, play along with me here. We're going to do The Story by Brandi Carlile. A reminder, we're in the key of A, playing through the pop progression. A to E of your choice, could also be E7, F sharp minor, and D. All right, standard strum, straight time. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and. Add the suspended for the vamp. Verse 1, all of these lines across my face tell you the story of who I am. So many stories of where I've been and how I got to where I am. But these stories don't mean anything if you got no one to tell them to. It's true, I was made for you. Verse 2, I climbed across the mountain top, swimming across the ocean blue. I crossed all the lines and I broke all the rules. And baby, I broke them all for you. Because even when I was flat broke, you made me feel like $1,000,000 you do. And I was made for you. Verse 3, you see the smile that's on my mouth. It's hiding the words that won't come out. All of my friends who think that I'm blessed, they don't know my head's a mess. No, they don't know who I really am, and they don't know what I've been through like you do. I was made for you. Back to verse 1. All of these lines across my face tell me the story of who I am. So many stories of where I've been and how I got to where I am. But these stories don't mean anything if you got no one to tell them to. It's true, I was made for you. Outro, it's true, I was made for you. Yeah, thanks for belting that out with me. Feel free to come back and practice with me anytime you need. Quick note, you may have noticed that outro, we just repeated the A to the E chord back to A. Only difference was that that suspended chord was for 2 beats, right? 1 of A, or sorry, 2 beats of A, 2 beats suspended, and then end back on that A. Just a little, you can end it kind of any way you want. That feels like a nice way to tie a little bow on that one. Enjoy your practice, and I'll see you for the next tune. To say thank you, to help keep this channel going, and also to enjoy some extra perks and resources on your musical journey. You can learn more by clicking join below next to the subscribe button, and I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much.